Ayan, I have 7 minutes, guys. Oo, mauunahan pa talaga ako si Betty, promise. Panigurado yan. Ako naghihingalo pa, yung kanya wala na, nandun na. Ako nakabibitin-bitin pa, yung kanya wala na. Nandun na. Where is Wanga Lady? I want to watch your video, Wanga Lady. Oh, you have upcoming Wanga Lady. Trending voice from Mega Botiri that has left many Kenyans concerned about the rise of abduction. Oh, really? Oh. Kidnapped, tortured. Ang title niya ba? Trending voice of Kakamega Botiri that has left many Kenyans concerned about the rise of abduction. Celebrating 2 years in Saudi Arabia. Okay, Wanga Lady watching with us. Sisi Roxanne, how are you? Oh, Sisi Roxanne is in the house. Fluffy Diva, greetings from Roxanne. Sisi Roxanne, thank you for coming. Nice seeing you. I'm happy to see you here, my dear Sisi Roxanne. But I'm about to end. I have 5 minutes left. Thank you. So, how about your, how's your watch hour now, guys? Roxanne from Marvelous. Ayan, I have 5 minutes. Thank you. Nagugutom talaga ako. Nagahihilab yung aking tiyan. Putik walang hiya. Ang pangit nung unang ano dyan. Hoy! What's up? Si Swindy, mag-watch lang ako mamaya ng ng video mo, pero magbabakas ako, mag-iwan ako ng bakas para alam nyo na nandun ako. 4 minutes remaining, guys. Thank you. No blood. I don't have blood in my in my hands because I feel cold. Walang dugo. Wala nang dugo. Kasi ang lamig. It's cold in here inside, guys. I have 3 minutes. Grabe yung ko, wala nang talaga, oh. Happy 2 years in Saudi Arabia, Wanga Lady. Congratulations. Guys, thank you guys. 3 minutes. Ate, kakatapos ko lang manood ng mo ate. Video mo. First